Do you wonder where the internet comes from? Or how you are able to communicate through your computer? Would you be surprised to know that it all started with a government contract? The internet has become an essential part of our lives today, connecting us with people, information, and services all around the world. But do you know the history behind the creation of the internet as we know it today? The story of the internet begins in the early 1960s when the United States Department of Defense was looking for ways to improve communication between research institutions and government agencies. Advanced Research Projects Agency, ARPA, in 1969, the Department of Defense's Advanced Research Projects Agency, ARPA, awarded a contract to the company Bolt, Beranek and Newman, BBN, to develop the ARPANET. The contract was initially for $1 million and was aimed at creating a network that would allow researchers to share data and resources between different computer systems. They also developed the first host-to-host protocol, which allowed computers to communicate with one another using a common language. BBN developed a number of key technologies to make this possible, including packet switching, which allowed data to be broken up into small chunks and sent across the network in a more efficient and reliable way. The first ARPANET node was installed at the University of California, Los Angeles, UCLA, in September 1969, and by the end of the year, 4 nodes were connected to the network. Over the next few years, the network grew rapidly, with more universities and research institutions joining and more nodes being added. In the early 1970s, other computer networks were being developed, including the National Physical Laboratory Network, NPL, in the UK and the Cyclades network in France. These networks eventually merged with ARPANET to form the Internet. The ARPANET contract that created the Internet as we know it today was a significant milestone in the development of computer networking. It provided a framework for researchers to share resources and collaborate, and it laid the foundation for the global network that we all use today.